But actually, not only. Don't do airdrops and don't do the public rounds. That's what I think will help a lot to recover the market. Because very simple, if you plan to sell something for $1, why are you giving this out for free? You're not getting nothing. You cannot make some, $1 means $1. $1 doesn't mean that follow my Instagram, follow my Twitter, follow my Telegram chat, do the post about our project. No, it doesn't mean $1 means $1. And when you're giving something out, that deal has no trust between parties. That deal has no, they're not following because they trust or they want or they believe in you. They following because you promised $1. So you need to understand what you're promising for the global communities. If you're promising to give out the money, in that case, you're just airdrop company. If you're promising to build a product that can become positive, successful, and we all hope that we can make much more money if we will invest $1 right now, that's completely different story. So when you're promising to give out something, you're becoming the not startup anymore. You're a giveaway company that just like sharing money for the motivated traffic itself. And public rounds just killing the businesses because it's raising your valuation for nothing. Like if you're collecting, $5 million and your diluted valuation is $10 million, and you're deciding to add public round for global communities for $200,000 and your diluted valuation become $25 million. So you're just getting $200,000 for $5 million price, which sounds crazy.